How to generate JSNO file in GST portal ma? How to generate JSNO file in Tally frame? How to generate JSNO files in Tally frame ma? JSNO file, it is possible to generating in Tally frame directly. JSNO files, why when we are using means we are filing GST returns and that time JSNO file we are using ma. See, already we are created all GST invoices. I want to generate a JSNO file now. Display more reports. You can go to here GST reports. GSTR1 JSNO file it's required for me. You can open it. Period I am changing. Which period do you want? See, opened. Now you can click it export button ma. Export. E-return you can click it ma. Now JSNO file you can click it. File format JSNO file. Location, folder path I have already. If you want, you can change it. Enter. C: program files Tally frame. Send I am clicking. Automatically JSNO file it is generated. See here what is today date. So today date what is 28th no? And 28th date where is our JSNO file? This one ma. 28th for JSNO file 2KB 11.1 ma. See here it is generated our JSNO file. See where it is saved. C drive program files Tally frame folder it is saved ma. So our JSNO file it is we have here now. We are saved that one. Now when you required, you can use this file. You can file your GST returns directly. So this is how to generate JSNO files in Tally frame ma. So what today I explained this and all, it's very important ma. How to export reports. And the time of working compulsory you are using. And the time of interviews also they are asking. How to export data, how to generate JSNO file. How to export GST reports Tally to Excel. How to print a documents. So this payroll, this and all, it's very, very important actually. So you can practice it, this and all. You have any doubts, you can ask me.